Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I'll tell you how to fix health application not working on iOS. So let's start with basic troubleshooting such as force quitting and then restarting the application on your iPhone. And then you can check your iOS update, iOS version. And now let's make sure that permissions are correct in settings. So let's open settings application on your device, and you want to scroll to section privacy and security. And now if you scroll down, you will see motion and fitness. Please make sure that both fitness tracking and health are enabled. Now let's go back to privacy and security, and at the top let's select location services. And if you scroll to system services, you need to enable motion calibration and distance. After this, you have to restart your iPhone for sensors to recalibrate. Additionally, you can enable background application refresh. So let's go back to homepage of settings, and you want to select general section. And now here you want to find background app refresh, and make sure that health application it is enabled. For some reason I cannot see health application in this list, and that is very suspicious. But yes, generally you should enable health toggle next to health application. Okay, that's strange, but let's go back to privacy and security section one more time. And now we want to go to health application one more time, and please make sure that health application has permission to access your data. So you can go to third-party application that you might use, and here you can decide which data you want to share with that application, and you can decide which data a third-party application can allow you to read. So this is heart rate, sleep, and weight that you can disable or enable. So I hope that after this your health application is fixed, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.